I bought a book about Warren Buffett expecting to learn about investing. I didn't expect it to make me question my priorities. I'm Doc Aloy, an eye surgeon and insurance advisor. Recently, I got two books. One was about Warren Buffett by Robert Hagstrom, and the other was about social media for small businesses by Francisca Iseli. And I was excited to read about it. Kaya masking 40 plus na ako, I still am a beginner pag about sa investing and understanding money. I've spent years studying medicine, kung paano mag-opera sa mata, kag ang pagbulig sa mga pasyente na maintindihan nila ang ilang nga ginabatyag kag pag-treat sa ilang nga mga masakit. But when it comes to investing, wealth creation and business, I still feel like I have a lot to learn. And I actually like that feeling kaya it reminds me that growth never stops. But as I was looking at those books, may lain ako nga napanumduman. Hindi siya about investing. Hindi siya sa kwarta. It's not even about business. I started thinking about my children. Because one of the reasons I want to learn these things is so I can learn nga upod sila. And then I found myself reflecting on several verses. One is on Matthew 6:33. But seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Also on Colossians 3:2, set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. And on Proverbs 3:5 to 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. And suddenly, I realized something. The issue isn't money or investing. The issue is on priority. Money, business, success isn't evil. The question is, where do these things, money, the business, or ang success, belong in our lives? You see, we live in a world that constantly tells us to pursue more income, more investments, more success, more influence, more followers, more everything, more, more, more. But Jesus never said seek more. He said seek first. Kaya I think dako nga difference. Kaya when God is first, money, success, and work, and family will find its proper place. Also, na-realize ko that balance doesn't come from trying to give everything equal attention. Balance comes from proper order. And proper order begins with God. So that's what this is about. Hindi kung paano ta magmanggaranon, hindi investment tips or financial hacks. It's about learning how to pursue excellence in the things of this world without losing sight of what is eternal. Because I have a feeling I'm not the only one wrestling with these questions.